Kasani, ano pa po ang maaaring dahilan ng lying?
Sinasabing ang iba po ay dahil sa naging coping mechanism po nila ang lying o pagsisinungaling.
Yes, Kasani, and according to American Psychological Association, coping mechanism is any conscious or non-conscious adjustment or adaptation that decreases tension and anxiety in a stressful experience or situation. Modifying maladaptive coping mechanism is often the focus of psychological intervention.
Kaya po ang banggit ay coping dahil sa may nilulunasang psychological concerns. Karaniwan na po sa mga ganito ay ang mga nakaranas ng trauma or abuse. Kaya sila po ay nagsisinungaling dahil sa they want to protect themselves from any further harm.
So kung nakakagawa man po ang iba ng pagsisinungaling is to protect themselves. However, it can create negative consequences on one's personal and professional life later on.
Totoo yan. Kaya po walang pinakamabuti kundi ang maging tapat at totoo. At yan naman po ay napatunayan na sa isang ginawang pag-aaral. One study found that people who were instructed to not lie at all for 10 weeks actually experienced improvements in their physical and mental health compared to those who were not given this instruction.
May mabuti pong impact talaga sa tao holistically ang hindi pagsisinungaling.